Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 10th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had an okay day today. I called the Dow down. It did end up closing down 32 points. Um, but you can see here what happened. It actually opened quite a bit lower here, and then I thought, is this a bull spike? Is this thing going to go for that 20,000 thing today? And it got up here and stalled out. That's a bad sign. And then sold off hard and closed down there, pretty close to its low. So I'm definitely going to call it down again tomorrow. This thing needs to go down. It's going to help us if it goes down. We've had 2 down days in a row in the Dow here, and we've made a little bit of money each day, and that's a whole lot better than losing money. And up here is where we get killed. So I want to see this thing go down some more, and then we can make some really good money on the upswing, and definitely when it finally punches through that 20,000 mark. We ended up, nothing spectacular today, but we ended up closing out over $2,000, and we're carrying about $2,000 open trade going into tomorrow. That's not spectacular, but it sure beats losing. Let's look at some of our trades. The first one. Oh, let's see. I didn't get this thing arranged. Here we go. This was Degas. This was the fly in the ointment today. If we hadn't had this, we would have done a whole lot better. We bought the gap yesterday. Look at this huge gap. And then this morning, we got socked with the gap going the wrong way. And we ended up dropping $4 grand in Degas. Degas is a gapping market. It's inverse natural gas. It's a gapping market. A lot of times those gaps have been in our favor. They sure weren't in our favor today. And then as far as, let's see here, 3D Corporation, I showed you this yesterday. We had bought this on the open, near the open yesterday. We had quite a bit of profits up there. It did gap down, but even with the gap down this morning, we still took over $3,000 out of 3D Corporation. So I'll take that. It's okay. And then finally, we got into, this is a new trade for us today, CLF, Cliffs Natural Resources. We got a big push up right at the beginning. We got in there. It kept going, closed near its high, and we got about $3,000 open trade in Cliffs Natural Resources. So we had a few good trades. Nothing spectacular, but we'll take it. That's the way it went this Tuesday. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.